Hey guys, so what we'll be going through today is we'll be trying to create a pet robot with the ESP32. So I will be learning with you as well actually. So I don't know anything about Arduino. So first we all will be doing is Arduino IDE, code it, some kind of code that whatever you use, you can also use VS Code actually. But I will be using Arduino IDE because this is recommended. So this is the Arduino IDE already installed in my Windows. Actually, I'll be going through a separate video on how to install Windows in both Mac and Windows. Okay, so this is it. Context Library Manager and Board Manager. So we'll be often using this for plugins, third-party plugins actually. Yeah, let's see here. You can see I already configured the ESP32. And so as I said, the board we'll be using is like ESP32, and we'll be using SG90 servo motors. I have four number of SG90 servo motors actually. So this is the ESP32 which I'm having right now. So this is the pin diagram for ESP32 from the official documentation. So these are the SG90 servo motors which can rotate up to 180 degree to and fro. So I have around 4 numbers of SG90. So this is the 3-pin servo motor. So power and two for power and one for controller. So the control yellow one will be going to the ESP32 Arduino. So this we will be using initially. So and for the body parts, we will be using a 3D printer. So I actually obtained the second-hand 3D printer under V3 actually. So from Creality. So we will be using the 3D printer. It's working fine right now. So I will be also using Fusion 360 for this.